Hi, everyone. Welcome to this episode of Nathan's 3D Factory. In this episode, I'm going to show you a quick tip on how to add modifiers to multiple objects, okay? And how to do it at the same time. So, right now we have our default cube, and I'm going to add another UV sphere, okay? And I'm going to get this out of here where I can see it. I'm going to scale it up a little bit so we can see it better. And then I'm going to apply the scale right here. So, first thing I want to show you is that we have two separate and distinct objects that have no modifiers added to them. But now, if I take the two, if I shift select, if I just add modifier just to one, right? Subdivision surface, you'll see that it applies the modifier to this object, but not to this one, right? So now if I undo that, then what we're going to do is we're going to take these two objects, and this time we're going to do subdivision surface again, and we're going to hold down the Alt key as we get it. And now you'll notice that the two objects, they both get the subdivision surface. Now if I hold down the Alt key and do this again, then it applies the changes to both objects with the modifier. Pretty cool, huh? So now if I just do it without the Alt key and I have both these objects selected, well, it's going to just do the last object selected. Now if I do the Alt key and I increase it here, then you'll notice that this one goes 2 levels up, but then so does this one from 2 to 4, right? Now if we want to keep these the same, well then we can just get it so that we just adjust those so that they're both the same level. And then we just do Alt, and then the two of them, they get edited together. It's a pretty quick way that we can just go through and apply multiple modifiers to multiple objects. Same thing, and they're just temporarily linked. So anyway, I wanted to show that quick tip for you. I hope you found that useful, and I hope that that you'll be able to use this in your own stuff, and it gives you some inspiration. I really appreciate you following my content. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't done so. Put a like on it. Leave comments on what you'd like to see for future videos. And thank you so much for watching Nathan's 3D Factory.